Good morning, Journey Kipsters. Happy rainy Monday. It's a little rainy outside. Makes me a little bit sleepy. So today we have a really big day coming up because today we start map testing. And remember, at the beginning of the school year, we took the map test. It's on the computer and you take it one time. So we take it 3 times per year. We take it right at the beginning of the school year. Then we take it in January, and then we take it again in May. And every single time we take it, we want to see our points grow. We want to see our points increase and get bigger so that we know that we are showing everything that we're learning every single day, that our teachers are teaching us, or that we're learning from each other. So please make sure that you are taking your time during your map test. Today, we are going to show love to Ms. Galdamez's class and Ms. Diaz's class because they are taking their map test this morning. So that means they will be in the science lab or the dreams lab, and they will be taking their map test in there. We have to be very quiet and show love to them because they really want to focus today. They want to focus on every single question, and they want to make sure that they can show exactly what they know and everything that they've learned without being distracted. So please make sure that you are very quiet while they're taking their map test today. So that means when it's time for lunch and we have to walk by the Dreams Lab and Miss Diaz's class is still testing, then we want to make sure that we are at a level 0. We are using our walking feet going to lunch, getting our lunch, and walking back at a level 0 so that when we walk by the Dreams Lab, we are so very quiet so they can continue to focus on their test, okay? Remember that when you're taking your map test, you can click the speaker at the top of the screen in order to hear the question again. The map test is completely read to you, so don't guess at your answers. Just listen to the question again by pushing the speaker because you can listen to it as many times as you want, and you can take your time and listen to it as many times as you want so that you can make sure you understand the question so that you can pick the best answer. Another thing I want to remind you of is when you get to the end of your map test, you're going to see a little dog, and that has your score on it. Do not click out of that screen until you raise your hand and your teacher comes over to tell you to click out because she's going to write down your map score. So when you see the little dog, I want you to raise your hand. And then your teacher will come over and write down the score and she will click out of that screen for you. What are you going to do when you see the little dog on the screen? Okay, that's right. You're going to raise your hand so that your teacher can come over and see your score and write it down. Okay, Kipsters, breathe, focus. Make sure that you are listening to your questions over and over again until you understand what it's asking you. Push the speaker at the top if you need to hear it again. And raise your hand when you see the little dog at the end of your test. Good luck to Ms. Galdamez's class and Ms. Diaz's class. Take your time, show what you know, and the rest of us are going to show them a lot of love. Love, Kipsters.